game changer to us, okay, because basically iResource puts all resources in one place and at our fingertips, just on an iPad. So today it has become a very essential, almost basic tool to us. I think it's also crucial, that our team today are digitally equipped, because we are serving a very digitally inclined customer base today. And being digitally equipped means that they actually have access to all this information anytime, anywhere, and therefore they can serve the customer basically anytime, anywhere as well.
My clients are pretty impressed with the kind of resource that we have because the iResource definitely is not only good for us as consultants, but it's also good for the clients.
iResource is a very robust platform. It put all essential information resources at one place. It also have very interactive tools like even interactive games and also interactive sales tools, including those graphic product benefit illustrators.
It can actually tailor suit to their needs. For example, some clients they want to save $200 a month, some clients they want to save $281 a month. So with the figures, as long I just plot in the amount of money they want to save, the amount of years, they will be able to generate the figure immediately. Sometimes they will just tell me, oh, can I just like play around with this?
All this create a very different experience. So sometimes in order to bring across a point, right, it is easier, to just play a simple 1-minute game, on iResource, so that the customer immediately, understand what you are talking about. Some customer, when they compare between, the experience with AIA versus some other insurer, they realize that, hey, everything I do with you is so easy. And whatever you do is just on the iPad. And I think customers appreciate such experience a lot. That totally transforms the way we interact with our customers.
Definitely with iResource, it makes my job a lot easier. I do not need to do so much of my pre-work planning, meaning to say that I can meet like 15 clients a week instead of like my previous lower than 10. It also helped to boost up my sales as well, seeing a productivity or an increase of like 50% at least, during my early days. We do have our customer segmentation where we know which part of the life they are in. They could be like young experienced, young parents, or they could be retirees. From there we can uncover their needs and we will use the product illustrator and we'll see how much coverage they need and how much coverage they need, and then from there I'm able to proceed to my sales platform.
iResource present all the information in a very consistent manner throughout the whole platform, and it helps us to create also the same consistency in every of our training sessions. So that if I train batches and batches of consultants, they are trained in the same way, and they will be equipped the same way. I always like to share with my prospective candidate that, hey, we are so way ahead, in terms of digitalization. We can do everything on an iPad, and I will show them, how iResource can make presentations so simple, so make our product so easily understood by our customers, and that will definitely help them, in wanting to become a successful advisor. I think today we are talking to the millennials who are very, very digitally inclined, and they are impressed with such things.
AIA Singapore's iResource is definitely a game changer. It transformed the way I serve my clients, putting them at the heart of everything I do. This allows me to provide clients with service excellence and concurrently increasing my productivity.